Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. And we are live. I just need to mention that we are live so that everybody that is joining us, they know that we are actually not playing a recorded video. So in today's video, I will be showing you something very cool, which a lot of people don't even know that it is a part of what they signed up for. And this is not only for the people that are paid members of this software, but this is also for everybody that signed up for a free account with GrooveSell. So in case you have GrooveSell as a product that you signed up for as a free account or a paid account, you actually have access to this one, and I highly encourage you to use it. This is something that a lot of companies actually create and sell this as their main product. However, our company is going to be giving you this one as just a side benefit of being a customer with us, and it is actually free. So you don't have to pay anything extra for it. There are other companies that charge like $79, $89, or $140. I've seen also similar widgets. Um, like what we have built in for you, this can be also purchased outside of the market, but you don't have to if you are using Groove and GrooveSell and Groove Pages. So this is inbuilt for you, so you can just click on it and then start using it. What I'm talking about is the proof widget. And what is actually a proof widget? Proof widget is, you probably seen this on other sites. Whenever you load in a page like a store or something that is actually selling products, people do this with courses, people do this with different types of memberships for different paid newsletters and things like this. They just display a short pop-up in the left hand side of their website, which is saying like, Joshua signed up for this product, or Amanda purchased this awesome product, and whatever. So it is actually showing that there is customers interacting with this software, with the product, with whatever you are selling. You can actually set up this small widget so that it displays that other people are actually using it. This is like a small testimonial. However, it is working. So for example, if it is just coming on every couple of seconds showing a new one, this is like a testimonial. Wherever the customer is scrolling on the page, they will be seeing that somebody is interacting with your product and things like this. So it is increasing the trust factor of your sites, of your products, by tenfold. It is awesome, and it is pretty cool, and it is very simple to set up. But I decided to do a video because this is something new in our platform, and I want you to be successful in setting this up. So yes, this is our topic for today. This was a short side rant until everybody joins in. So in case you are watching, please head over to the comment section. Just say, hi, I'm here, I'm watching, I'm interested, whatever, just so that I actually see you and welcome you on this video, and then we can start after that. Okay, so I can see immediately Keisha is here. James is here. Hey, David, thanks for sharing. I'll be looking forward to this. Awesome. Gouda Marketing. Hi, David. Awesome. Thank you very much. I already had a couple of likes from people here on Facebook and YouTube. So thank you very much, people, for that one. I really appreciate when my videos got a couple of likes. This is actually meaning that the other users that didn't join in on the live stream, they will be able to see it in their feeds, so they can find this information pretty easily. I have also Ryan joining in, saying hello, everyone. Awesome, perfect, good to have you here. Sandy saying hi, David. Hi, Sandy, it's good to have you here. And yes, so I don't know if most of you were not here yesterday. I see a couple of names that were here on yesterday's live stream. Like, for example, Eric was here, Keisha was here, Gouda Marketing was here. Marat is saying, hello, dear David. Hello, dear Marat. It's good to have you here. So yesterday we did a video on building out the book landing page using Groove Pages. It is also available inside the Facebook group. In case you just come over here to the live demos in the popular topics and posts, you scroll down a bit and then you will see a replay of it. In this video, I actually gave out a couple of gifts. So in case you are wondering, you can get some things at the end of the video. However, I'm highly suggesting you to watch it through. We're building an awesome site, which is actually this one. So we built out this site, and today I just want to build up on that one. What I will be showing you today is how to actually do this one. Look at this corner of the screen. Amanda from Croatia just got a copy of the Lemon book. Okay, it goes away. Then comes the next one. David from Croatia just got a copy of the Lemon book. So this is something that is actually popping up to your customers whenever they load the page, and it is awesome. It doesn't take a lot of knowledge to do this one, but it looks very nice whenever it's showing up, and it is built in for you. As I mentioned on the beginning of the video, it is free, and I highly suggest you to use it. There are different options you can enable, disable to make your site don't look as spammy as some other ones, but yes, this is very helpful to have on your site. So in case you want to learn how to actually build out this page, like completely build out, I even show you how to create these mockups over here. So from scratch, you can just watch the video building out the book landing page in using Groove Pages is the name over here, or on the Facebook in the Facebook group also it is available in the live demos. Yes, so I just want to mention that you can see how we build out the landing page. And today I will be showing you actually how to set up a product in GrooveSell, how to connect it with your page, how to actually set up that people can purchase or do some action through that through GrooveSell, and how actually this will be showing up. So what I did before starting the live stream, I created a simple pop-up on this download button. So if somebody fills this out, so let's just put in a name, for example, Christine. Christine is always here, so Christine Case, and then her email is, let's say, Christine C Case gmail.com, something like this. It doesn't matter. Let's just put mail.com so that nobody gets this. Lemon book free. I set up just a free product. Continue to address. You don't actually need to fill out the address. I turned that off. I can just select any country or whatever. Continue to confirmation, and it says get free access to this free offer. Once you get it, you come over to the thank you page that I set up inside GrooveSell. However, now what will be showing up is, look at down here. Christine from Croatia just got a copy of the Lemon book. So it is actually reading my IP address. It knows that I'm in Croatia. This is why it says from Croatia, from Croatia. You can set this up and customize it as you would like. It doesn't have to say this exact thing. It doesn't have to have this image over here, but you can actually set this up yourself. So I think this is time for us to jump into it and then actually build out our product inside GrooveSell, and I will be showing you how to actually set up the proof widget. So let me just jump over here to GrooveFunnels. Once we click over here to these buttons, we can just simply select GrooveSell. I just clicked and opened it in a new tab, and this is GrooveSell. Awesome. Kisha is saying proof widget was effective for my purchase. Yes, we actually had it on the GrooveFunnels and Groove Pages site itself, which is actually we had a problem a couple of days ago with this proof widget on our sites on GrooveFunnels and Groove Pages and GrooveSell. And when it was actually having the problems, it was not showing up for some reason. We didn't know why, but if it didn't show up, we saw a 15% decrease of signups and purchases of the software. So this is something you can keep in mind, that it is actually working big time. Even on the big sites like GrooveFunnels, it is doing miracles. People are actually signing up because of these proof widgets, as Kisha is actually saying. Christine is saying, yeah, I moved to Croatia. Hi, David. Greetings from the Swiss Alps. Cheers. Awesome. Encho Ivanov. Very good. Good to have you here. Perfect. So this is GrooveSell. As I mentioned it earlier, we just came in to basically from your main dashboard. You click on the side here. It's actually not loading up. Let me just do that again. So here, GrooveSell, you click on this one, and this is actually where you need to set up your product. Once you are having a page like this one, like this one, you need to actually have your product set up inside GrooveSell, and you need to do some sort of a checkout. As you saw here, I did a checkout for a free offer, so people don't need to actually purchase anything. It jumps over the payment gateway option, but with this way they actually sign up and they get to your list inside GrooveSell. I will show you that later on. Sorry. And for this one, we need to set up a product inside GrooveSell. So to set up a product, we need to come over here to funnels. As you can see, I already have a product funnel set up. I will just create a new one, doesn't matter. So my name, the name of this new product will be Lemonade Book or something. Okay, so Lemonade Book, just so that it is different from the other ones that I created. Lemonade Book, selling the Lemonade Book. Perfect. Good. So this is basically the product that we now set up. It is a product funnel, and this is the product that is inside. So as I previously mentioned, the product funnel is like a collection of different products that you will be selling inside one website, one funnel. Let's say a product funnel has a main offer and an upsell and a downsell and things like this. So inside this package, what is called product funnel, let me just jump in here. So this is now a Lemonade Book. This is our product funnel. Inside this package, inside this product funnel, we will have different products which we will be selling on one site. And this is why you can create product funnel. And then when you go and actually manage your products, you will see again Lemonade Book, which is the main product. We can also rename this so it can be Lemonade Book main offer or something like that. But this is, I just wanted you to understand what the difference between a product and a product funnel is. So once you go inside, you see this yellow button. This means that something is missing, something needs setting up. So let's just click on this edit button, which is the yellow button. And then we will come into the edit product section of that actual Lemonade Book product. Okay, so we have the product name. It is Lemonade Book. The description is Lemonade Book as well. We'll just leave it as it is. And then this is a front-end product. In case you created a front-end product and then later on you want to create upsells and downsells, you just choose this one over here. I'm happy with the front-end product. We can go to the pricing. So in the pricing, you can put up different price points. Let's say the Lemonade Book free ebook, like that. So over here, free ebook, one time, and then we set up price is 0. Okay, so this is a free ebook. In case you want to set up Lemonade soft cover book, that is fine. Default, no. Enable trial, no. We'll just set this up to be $12. Okay, like that. And we can also set up another one, hardcover. It is just basically setting up the product. It is nothing very hard. I have a separate video on this in case you don't know how to actually set up your product inside GrooveSell. You come over here to YouTube and then product GrooveSell, and then this is where you will find the video. There is, oh, here we are, product GrooveSell. There is a video that I created earlier, and then there will be another one which is not showing up immediately. Setting up, here we go, building out a landing page with embedded GrooveSell checkout. Actually, this is the this is the full name of it. If you want, I can link this one in here. You also have the timestamp, so you can just simply go in there and then see what interests you. You don't have to watch the whole video. Okay, I don't want to listen to it. I will share this one quickly in the Facebook group as well, in case you want to learn fully in detail how to set up your products in GrooveSell. I will just go through it very quickly. So now I set up 3 different price points. This will be costing $24, sorry. Okay, save and next. Contents. Okay, so here we need to just copy over the description. And then we are here in the gateways. We can skip over the gateways. I will not be asking for any payment. In case you are actually selling something for real, then you need to set up the gateways. Over here, the sales page URL, I will just copy this one from here. So this is the sales page that I will be using for this product. So I will just paste in this sales page URL. And then the thank you page I set up is the same for all three. So whenever you're setting up a thank you page and you create a different price points, for example, free ebook, Lemonade softcover book, or Lemonade hardcover book, you can set up different thank you pages. My thank you page is just on this one over here. So let's use this URL. So it's booklander/ty, which is short for thank you. Okay, so we can save and next. And then over here, I can just choose the type, look and feel. You can choose the colors. I will disable these form fields for now. I don't want this to show on my site. Express checkout, cart abandonment, most of these things are coming soon, so we'll just skip over it. Bumps is not available yet. Funnel, this is fine. We already set up our thank you pages. I don't have any upsells at this point. No access page. Affiliates, I don't want to activate any affiliate program. But here in the proof, this is where we wanted to come. This is the number 10 is the actual proof widget where we can create our own pop-up widget. So let's just click the create, which is here in the right hand side corner. Let's give it a name. So if somebody purchases the free book, I want this to show. Just got the free aid ebook. So this will actually, it is asking us notification text, what it actually should show on inside the notification. So for example, somebody signs up and her name is Christine, then it will say Christine just got the free Lemonade book. In case somebody wants to get the paid version of it, then we can set up a different one for that. So let's just create another one, and this will be for the soft cover, okay? Like that. And then this will be just purchased, not GrooveFunnels, but the soft cover Lemonade, or just the soft cover book. You can also set this up for the next one, which is the hardcover. I'll just skip over it and actually go into setting these pop-ups up. So inside the free ebook, okay, just got the free Lemonade ebook. Here we can choose the display. First option is delay between notifications. Let's say one notification is showing up. How long after it's gone should the next come up? So I think approximately a good timing is 4, 5, 6 seconds. This is something that I found work good on other sites. You can also set this up to not be so frequent, to not be one after the other. If you want it to be like randomized, something like that, that it doesn't look at every 5 seconds there is another one. You can set it up like 16, 17, 20 seconds. So it looks like, okay, here was another purchase. And then the user is actually scrolling down your page and reading the text. And then here is another one, and then things like this. So it looks more random, but you can set it up as you want. I will just put for this tutorial, I will set it up on 5. How long the notification should show in seconds? So I found that 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds is too short for the people to actually realize what that was. People are getting more and more familiar with these proof pop-up widgets, but we still need to give them time to actually read through and then see, okay, which product they actually purchased. So I think around 6 seconds is okay. A number of contacts to display. So this is how many actually of these pop-ups you want to show, and then where it should where the position of the pop-up should be. I usually put them in the bottom left. This is an empty space on most of the websites. They are not putting anything here. And the bottom right corner, they are usually putting their messenger signups and live chat and things like this. But the left one is just unused. So this is why it looks good in the bottom left. If something actually pops up, people will just be looking like that. And I was like, okay, good. So bottom left is where I would suggest you to put it. And then display on mobile. This is an actual topic that could have a complete video done on that. If it's showing up on mobile, it needs to be tested how big it is, if it comes into the view of the actual site when the person is scrolling with finger. Will it be in the way? So you don't want to actually put there something that is that will be in the way of the users getting the important information on your sales page. So for now, I would just not display it on mobile. I would just leave it off. You can test this out. I highly suggest you to see it on your sites, but I will leave it out on mobile on my sites because it is a bit too pushy sometimes when I'm scrolling through websites and these come up. So I don't like that myself, so I don't want to put it for my users to see that one as well. Okay, so this was the display. Let's just go into the last setting option here, is the design. So you can set up the different title colors. You can have a different colors over here. Description color, you can also set that up. Background color, this is also available to set up. And then you can show up location. Like you saw in my case, it was showing David from Croatia or Christine from Croatia. You can show up actually the country. You can show up the city. You can show a city and then country, or do not show the location at all. It can say like David from Zagreb, Croatia purchased this one, or it can just be David just purchased this one. It is good to actually have some sort of a notification where it actually shows where the people are, because if it doesn't show a country or something like this, it could be like these are bots, like it is just a random name generator popping up different names and images and things like this. So I highly suggest you to turn on this notification of the location. It is looking much better when you see, okay, somebody from not far away where I live purchased this, so that means it must be good. I can get it as well. So this is how a user would see it. So I wouldn't go into detail like which one is the best. I think if you choose one of these three, it is fine. Let's just leave it on the country for this example. Here you can choose what to display. As you remember, let me just try to bring it back. On my case, it was actually showing an avatar over here. And why is it blank? Why is it not showing up anything? This will be different once GrooveMember comes out. So let's just see the options. Show a map image. You can set up a map so that there is a small map where it displays the country or the city where you live. So it will be like David from Croatia, and then a small image part of the pop-up will display a small zoomed out image of Croatia on the map. If you want a generic profile image, you can set this up. The generic profile image is this grayed out avatar looking person user image. But the gravatar, what I think this isn't not confirmed yet, but once GrooveMember comes out, I'm pretty sure you and your users will be able to set up their own profile images inside GrooveMember. Let's say you purchase a course from somebody, and then you can set up your profile image in that dashboard of the course so that you can actually communicate with the course creator, with other members as well. So this is where you will be setting up your avatar or gravatar. Gravatar is the graphic avatar, which is your profile image. I think when we select show gravatar, this will be actually showing once we have GrooveMember activated, and then through GrooveMember, this pop-up widget will actually be pulling in the image. You don't have to set this up. In case you don't want to, you can just leave it on map. It still looks good. And some of the other paid pop-up platforms, these proof platforms, they don't even have these options. They just show the map. Okay, so I will leave it on the map. Show timestamps. You can also show when that product was purchased, was when the sign up actually occurred. You don't have to. In case you don't have a lot of sales, I suggest you to turn this off, because then it will be like, on January 24th, somebody purchased your product, but it is now December, so it is like a whole year already went by, so it doesn't make sense. But in case you have a lot of sales or a lot of signups, then this one makes sense. I will turn this off for now, but you can show the first name. In case you don't show the first name, then it will say somebody in Croatia purchased this product. I will actually turn on the first name because I think this is cool. I will not change any other designs. I'll just leave it as it is and then just click update. Okay, so now I set up the free ebook. Let me just quickly go in there and set up this soft cover lemonade thingy. So I'll just put it on 6 seconds over here, also 6 seconds. Contact the display. Okay, bottom left, display on mobile, no. Show only country, show map image, show. Okay, let's just put in timestamps over here. Good. Save and next. Don't forget to save and go to the next one. And then here is actually where you get your tracking links. So these links are very important. I was testing this out previously, so I'll just go in there and actually delete my my tracking codes that I was using before. But once you get these tracking links, the first one is the tracking link for your product, the actual product that you set up. In my case, this is the Lemonade book product. Okay, so you need to copy this over, and it says here, paste this code in the body section of the product's sales page. Okay, so let's just go into our sales page, and then when you are watching when you are seeing the builder, in the left hand side you need to come over here to the pages option, then click these 3 dots and then edit settings. This will get you the page settings, and this is actually where you will be setting up your tracking code. So I want to just paste in this one. This one was for the product itself. Okay, I will press the enter 2 times, 3 times, whatever, just so that it goes to another line over here, and then I will be copying over the rest. So this one is a proof widget for the free ebook. This is for the free ebook. This is our tracking code. So let's just copy it over. Let's just come over here to our sales page. This is within Groove pages, and we'll just paste this one in. Okay, so this one was the first tracking link for proof widget. Let's press enter 2 more times, and then we can copy over the last one, which is the soft cover Lemonade book tracking link for the proof widget. Let's jump into our Groove pages dashboard again, paste this in, and then don't forget to press this check mark. In case you don't press the check mark, it will not be saving the changes. Okay, so now we have that saved. Make sure we actually save it on the page itself, and then we need to actually connect some kind of a checkout page to our design. Once somebody opens the checkout page, fills out the form, then we will get the information. Before that, it will not be showing up if somebody signed up or somebody got the book purchased, because it will not know if it was done or not. So let's just quickly go into GrooveSell. So we can just come over here. So just click out from everything. We finished now setting up everything, but what we will need is this button over here. This is the shopping cart icon. We need to have this actually visible so that we can click on it and export our embed code. So we need to come over here to funnels again. And then as you can see, Lemonade book, this is in draft mode. We just need to come over here and make it live. Once we make it live, it will be actually yeah, so it's asking for a subdomain. Subdomain is actually what it will show up here. So app.groovefunnels.com. For us, it will show up subdomain.groovesell.com. For example, I will just set up Lemonade book, make funnel live. Now I will show you why it is Lemonade book. It is not showing up anymore draft mode, but once we go and actually manage the product, we can see this shopping cart icon. Let me just show you why we set up now this Lemonade book as a subdomain. Okay, single price, 1 step. Okay, here, lemonadebook.groovesell.com /checkout /DDD. So once we go into this lemonade.groovesell.com, this is our subdomain for somebody that wants to purchase the book. Okay, so this is why it actually asked us to set up the subdomain. This is the subdomain for the checkout. So now here, if I want to have one checkout for all the 3 products, I click on the shopping cart and I can change to multi-price checkout. So I have all the 3 price points: the free ebook, the softcover, and the hardcover books. They will be all on the same checkout page. Okay, and then we can also say choose a one step, so that all the forms need to be filled out on in one step, or multi-step. I'll just set up multi-step. It is a smaller checkout form and it looks better. Then here we can choose which products we want. I'll just leave all 3. Generate link. Once we generate link, we can actually have the direct link to the checkout page, which looks like the other one we ran. It will look like this one. So the customer can actually choose which one to purchase. As you can see, once the free ebook is chosen, it says continue to address. It will not go over to the payment option or the billing. Once a paid option is chosen, it will go on to the billing section immediately. So this is something that you can also use on your sites. But I want to actually embed it. So I will just choose this embed and actually copy over this embed code that is offering us. Now we will come over here to our sales page and we will create a pop-up. You don't have to create a pop-up. You can create a next page as your order page, or actually you can just embed it to your sales pages. It is not very difficult. I created that full video of GrooveSell on doing it, but in this case I just want to show you how I would create a pop-up. So to do a pop-up, I just need an element, which will be a 1-column element. Inside this 1 column, I just want a code embed like that. Okay, and then inside of the code embed, I can click the cogwheel, paste in the code that I got from GrooveSell, and you can see that it is actually loading in on the site on this pop-up. So now when we are inside, you can see that there is some purple borders. We can just turn this off. Like, I don't want any color and I don't want any width. I can just turn this off, and here we go. We don't have it anymore. The next thing what I would do is I would actually go up 1 level so that the container is chosen, layout, and center it vertically. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't change now when the form is so narrow, but once we actually size the whole pop-up, you will see it will make a change. Okay, so now while the container is chosen, we can actually play with the spacing. Not that way, but okay, not this way. Oh no, it's not the spacing. Sorry, it was the sizing. So we can size out our pop-up like that, so that it is covering the whole section like that. And then also we can do for the container itself, in case you want to have like a rounded border around the white space around the whole pop-up, whole checkout box. I don't actually want this. I'll just leave it as it is. So I'm happy with it. I'm just going to save, and then save as well over here. So we now set up quickly a pop-up, checkout pop-up. Okay, I am clicking on the button that I want to link in. Inside the configure, I will just choose pop-up 2. This is the one we set up now together. And then I can go and publish my page. Okay, we're waiting for the green box to appear. Here we go. Changes usually go live within a few minutes. So let me just go and see in incognito window how it actually changed. Perfect. So once I click on the download button, we have the whole checkout. It is actually still showing the purple border around it. I will just go in there and edit it later on, but we can see that the checkout form is actually clickable and it is working. So let's just choose the Lemonade book free. It is asking us for the first name, last name. Let me just type in David Lemon, David at GrooveDigital.com, like that. Continue to address. We can select the country, let's say United States and Alabama, and then get free access. Okay, so now we actually signed up. It is transferring us to our thank you page that we set up inside GrooveSell, and that is basically it. So now you can have different elements on your thank you page. I just created this dummy thank you page just for the demonstration, but we can actually see that it works now. So once we go back to the same page, it should say David signed up to your, here we go, Christine from Croatia. Okay, so this is the old page still. Let's just refresh it. We'll need to wait for when it says David signed up. Here we go. David from Croatia just got the free Lemonade ebook. David from Croatia just purchased soft cover book. I'm not sure why the soft cover book is showing as well. I didn't purchase that one, but it is actually working and it is showing up. So let's just see if it is. Yes, so it is still the purple border around it. So we can just go into the pop-ups and try to fix that one. So over here, borders, yeah, for some reason it showed up again. Let me just make this 0. I don't want you to show up like that. Okay, save and exit, save and publish. Good. So that is approximately it. Let me just test it out. Published it. Let me just open it in an incognito window. Good. Bam. So it is not showing up anymore the whole purple thingy around it, but it is still showing up the soft cover book, even though I didn't purchase that one yet. So I will probably need to see what went wrong in our demo. But it says this is how it looks like. It's actually showing the map. It says David from Croatia just got the free ebook, and this is how we got it working. So yeah, let me just see if there is some settings inside GrooveSell that we didn't follow correctly. Proof. Yeah, so it actually doesn't give us the option to choose which product we want to tie it to. So I think what we need to do is actually delete this soft cover thingy, because it is not asking us to connect it to a price point. This is something that is good to have. So maybe we can actually have options to choose which price point to connect the proof widget to. So this is something that would need to go into the feature request area, because as you remember, we set up 3 price points: the Lemonade free book, Lemonade softcover book, and hardcover book. I thought that it will actually recognize it from the name, but it is not. So we can have one which is just saying like just got the book purchased or something like that, or just purchased the course, or signed up to the membership, or something like this, something that you are actually selling. So yes, this is how we actually set it up. And maybe this feature request, if you want, you can set it up inside the feedback.groovefunnels.com. It will be actually implemented pretty soon. But yeah, guys, this is it. Now we'll just save it, and then let's just do another test. I can actually share this link with you guys in case you wanted to test it out yourself. Let me just jump in also on the Facebook and share it there. Like, so you can go in then, test it out. You can just sign up for the free one. I will not be using any of the emails that signed up. You can also put a dummy email inside there and just test it out, see how it works. Just put in your details and then refresh the page, see what comes up after that. Let me see if there are any questions. Okay, Christine is asking, is it possible to change the color of the widget? So yes, Christine, once you go into the proof, you can actually set up here in the design section, you can choose a title color. You can choose your own colors over here by clicking on this button. You can set up the RGB colors. You can also set up the hex code over here, also for the description and the background. So you can actually modify the proof widget as you want. You can select any color that you wish. Yes, for those of us that with newly launched affiliate pages promoting GrooveFunnel products, how might we duplicate the Groove widget feed for our own affiliate page? That's a good question. This at this point is for setting up your own products. Inside the proof is only available when you are editing your own products. Let me see if there is some kind of notification or somewhere where it says inside the affiliate dashboard to set it up. I don't think so. I don't think this is possible, because let's just use this Lemonade demo. Tracking, new tracking link. This is where it would be. Let me just choose. Oh no, I need to create another one. This is where it would be, because this is where you actually created a tracking link for something that you are promoting as an affiliate. So let's just paste in here some lemonade book, save and next, type. Okay. It is not giving us option. Let's just leave the external link, goals, affiliate conversion. Okay, funnel. So you can actually set this up over here. Advanced settings could be no. Yeah, so it didn't actually give us, so it is not available for tracking your links. It is only for setting up your products at this moment. In case you would like to have something like that, you can head over to feedback.groovefunnels.com, which will be this feature request dashboard. You can click on Groove pages, but this is related to GrooveSell. So you would go to GrooveSell feature request and actually request that feature over here. There we go. So we don't need Amazon Dropbox or Google Drive when hosting the lead magnet PDFs, as we get unlimited storage with GrooveFunnels. No, this is not correct, Francis. You don't get unlimited storage with GrooveFunnels. You get unlimited websites. If you're a platinum member, you get an option to connect unlimited domains, but it was never mentioned that you get unlimited storage. This would be just like the end of our company, because no company that I know of will give you unlimited storage. This is just not possible. Storage on servers is quite expensive, and this will not happen very soon, that you will see somebody offering unlimited storage. So no, it is not true. Here we go. So guys, that is it. This is how you set up your pages. I do need to refresh this one, but yeah, it is working. It is pretty cool. You can have these pop-ups show up on your sites when you're selling your products, and I just cannot recommend you not to use it. Here we go. Prakash from India just got the free lemonade 2 minutes ago. Let's just see the next one. David from Croatia just got the lemonade book 8 minutes ago. So you can turn on the timestamps, turn it off. You can decide when you want to actually display the different pop-ups and things like this, but it's pretty cool, and you should use it for your own products. So that's it, guys. I don't have any other questions in regards to this one. In case you have questions regards to this one, just pop them below in the comment section. I would be happy to answer it for you. But for now, this is it. David signing off. And also, just don't forget to come tonight or today. We will have a training with Tom Beal. He is an awesome trainer for digital marketing, and today he will be talking about an awesome topic, something that he went through in his life, and he wants to share the thing that he learned through his time inside the army, and how it ties to internet marketing and what you can do about it. So I suggest you to come over there to the live stream, join us, and then watch it. It will be amazing, as always is with Tom. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and then see you in the group. Bye bye.